Steel is used in a variety of ways throughout society, propping up our daily lives. Steel that has served its purpose and is no longer needed is discarded as scrap. This amounts to around 30 million tons per year in Japan. This is enough to fill 3 baseball stadiums. It will continue accumulating unless something is done about it. But there's no need to worry. Steel can be melted down to make new steel products. Its properties do not deteriorate, so it can be recycled over and over again. What's needed is an electric arc furnace. Electricity is used to heat the scrap steel to several thousand degrees Celsius to melt it. Scrap steel may contain impurities, but they are removed during the production process, allowing it to be recycled to make new products. Furthermore, this process only emits a quarter of the CO2 of a blast furnace. The recycling of steel in electric arc furnaces contributes greatly to the realization of a sustainable society. Kyoei Steel has been operating businesses centered on these electric arc furnaces for over 70 years. Kyoei Steel has built its businesses founded on the corporate philosophy of the spirit of challenge. Our businesses can be divided into 3 main sectors. They are our domestic steel, overseas steel, and material recycling businesses. Our group produces a variety of steel products, including steel reinforcing bars that are indispensable in the construction of buildings, condominiums, bridges, and so on. The company has plants in 4 locations and holds the #1 share of the domestic market for reinforcing bars. We also deliver high-strength steel reinforcing bars, products with environmentally friendly coatings, and a variety of other products to meet our customers' needs. We operate businesses in Vietnam, the US, and Canada. In the 1960s, we became the first Japanese steel producer to expand overseas. The company continued taking on challenges to expand from a small local factory to becoming a global company. Overseas shipments have now overtaken domestic shipments. The material recycling business is a business that is unique to our company. Heat, up to several thousand degrees Celsius, generated during the production of steel is used to melt and detoxify medical waste and a variety of other industrial wastes. The launching of this business in the 1980s was prompted by incidents of infectious diseases from illegally dumped, used injection needles, which became a social problem. The strong desire to somehow find a solution to this problem led to the making of steel, while simultaneously treating wastes, giving birth to a new business. Electric arc furnaces ensure the safe treatment of materials that are difficult to treat in an incinerator. We plan to continue meeting the advanced treatment needs of new materials that are created as the result of progress in technology. Based on our spirit of challenge, Kyoei Steel has also continued striving in the challenge to coexist with the global environment. All the water used to operate our factories is recycled. No polluted air is discharged to ensure the environmental friendliness of our operations at factories. Furthermore, our energy-saving technologies used to produce steel are top class within the industry. We are even implementing measures to further reduce CO2 emissions with the aim of realizing carbon neutrality. We strive in search of what we can do by recycling steel resources, and the challenge will continue for Kyoei Steel Group. The spirit of challenge. Kyoei Steel.